So the Miata has windows and the race cars don't. So we are pretty much pulling everything off of here. Doesn't he ever come out of the trailer?
Yeah.
So we just did watch him. The wing got you, man.
Every time.
Are you serious? The rain's gonna start in 5 minutes?
Yeah, but the little baby bands.
Okay. Ooh, that's us. Hot pits.
Yes, sir.
Hot pits, hot pits. We gotta jump in our cars. It's welcome to the track. We're here at Sebring, and it's raining today. We did one heat. We did the first session of the day. Z went out really good. The Civic locked up on me for some reason, so the brakes locked up. We're taking everything apart right now just to bleed everything, check it over. But other than that, I'm excited for a good day. It is raining, so it's gloomy. It's slippery out there. Hearing a lot of tire screeches, but you know, time to test the car, learn how to play in the rain for a little bit. So that's what we're doing today. Got everything covered up. Race cars over here don't have windows, so we just try to keep it nice and clean. Always think about something different, so bigger tent, maybe a 20 by 20. That would make it so everything's fully covered. But other than that, the Civic is running good. The fix they did with the fuel line is running okay. We're gonna bleed the brakes. We're gonna start from the rear and do this thing. The cool thing is that Robert was able to install the sway bar. So the sway bar is in, the new piece in. See, it's not chewed up, but we definitely do have a lot of suspension parts to tweak up on here. All right, so this is our eaten up arm here. You see on the wheel, it's all eaten up because it chewed up our lower control arm right there. We had changed this to a brand new Honda bolt, and we said we're going to change that one, but we didn't, and then it fell down. So we're finally going to do and change everything out. How's your sandwich? How is it?
Good.
What is it? What kind of sandwich you got?
Bacon, egg.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Alright. So we're manning the grill over here. Breakfast is going to be simple. We only eat healthy during maybe lunch and dinner. Or maybe dinner. But breakfast, this works.
This is our day at the park, day at the beach, so
Yeah.
we're gonna go with dogs and burgers.
No, take her to the outside. Take her to the outside. You have one. No, I'm sitting outside.
What kind of chair is that? Is it just a little chill squad? That might be the F1 chair. Where's the water? Where is the water?
My shorts.
Yeah, you're good, man. But we
You
got
go to the inside then.
we got water. We got we're covering the windows, obviously, because everything's soaked.
Last one.
Oh yeah, right.
That means school is gonna be canceled.
Yeah. So anyways, I just want to say I had an awesome run. Where's my other driver? I gotta go find him. This
Over
is
here.
this is
You're seeing
Yeah.
back and forth.
We're watching all of the racing. It was so good. And
Bro.
I kept looking back.
good.
Dude, I saw the rain coming
So
through the
good.
trees. We're
Yeah.
like, dude, we gotta go now.
Yeah.
We ran back here.
I was with the RSX forever. No,
Yeah, RX-8.
RX-8 forever,
Yeah.
and I would say I could have passed him, but damn, bro, you know what I mean?
The first lap
That guy
we
was going.
Had the Cup car, the NASCAR.
Oh
and
my God.
Yeah, well, we were like, dude.
Yeah,
see Betty White
That
yet?
was a really run, man. That was a really good run. But yeah, Joe was over there with me, and he was the one that was doing the 350Z. But bro, I gotta have. I don't know how the hell he did it in 350Z because I'd be terrified to be pushing that car.
Me too. I was like,
Yeah.
I was out there earlier.
With the Z, I was jumping. I mean, with the Civic, I was jumping everything, bro. Ran amazing, amazing.
It's gonna be a flash flood
My
here.
toes. At least I don't have my racing shoes on, which I'm happy about. Oh, no, it just went through my shoe. And they're running shoes, so they go right through. Oh,
That session.
whoa.
That session. We watched the whole thing.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I'm gonna take a hot.
I didn't want to push it because back of my head said 10-year-old tires.
Why do you take off
But
the
I did
shade?
feel a couple of not 10-year-old tires.
Yeah, Joe was battling me with what?
No, not 11.
Yeah, yeah,
Not
yeah.
11.
Not 10-year-old tires, 11-year-old tires. So,
I think
Yeah.
it goes in.
really good, man. Same power band. You know what? The Z takes me after 100.
Now,
I can't do it.
that little guy hangs on, except on top end, I saw pulling.
Yeah, yeah, but I can
And
take all the turns, man.
I have a little trouble going into fourth most of the time. You hear me? Fourth was done
Ah.
before, but it's a new trans. But
No, but man, your little
on
thing,
some
try it.
turns, it goes in. You don't have to put it hard. And sometimes I'm like, I'm yanking it.
Yeah, yeah, the harder the better.
The harder the better.
Harder
Well,
the
I
better.
tell you what, I definitely got to work on 17. But
Man, you were at it though. I was behind Joe the whole time. He was at it.
had good cars with you. Is it 2, 3, 4 or 3, 4, 5?
Oh yeah.
3, 4, 5.
I could go.
I can do it without the brake.
Did you feel? Yeah.
Yeah,
You just
and then-
roll in.
And then 14, 15, 13, 14, 15. I'm getting it. It's a lot wider than you think.
Hey, but we saw the rain coming, bro. I was like,
But on that Bishop's Bend, it's sketchy. I'm afraid to throw fifth on that.
Oh yeah.
Top of fourth, but maybe I'm top of fourth, and it's like, you know,
oh, that's because you know it got wet. I was dry in the morning.
Yeah.
I threw fifth.
No, I threw fifth
Yeah.
twice, but it wants to keep going,
Yeah.
and the car goes, and I got no.
Do you throw 6 before the bridge? So we got another hour before we're out again. I had such an amazing run in the Civic, not that one right there, right? But I had such an amazing run in the Civic. Now I'm gonna jump in the Z. Joe's gonna do the Civic. The Civic, there's not much to do to it. Everything, we're just gonna check tire pressures. Now the Z, we're contemplating of putting the reins on since it's wet. So this is a better view here, but I think I'll be okay.
No, I saw you on black one, right?
I'm just gonna try to drive it as best I can in the rain. Over here, they are out there trying to dry the track off while we're on break. We're about to take lunch right now, but I'm super pumped. This is one of the best things in this car that I'm dying to put in there, because the seat that came with the car is that one right there, and I'm practically swimming in that seat. This seat is huge. This is for like a really, really big guy. Like from here to there, I could stick my fist in here, and I could still go in there. So I'm bouncing around in there. Yeah. So I don't enjoy sitting in this one so much. The only thing that holds me in there is the seatbelt straps me back to the back of the seat. That's it. Now you go in this lap of luxury here is all, I mean, yes, it is brand new, but you could select different thicknesses on here too, because they have, I believe, what, small, medium, large, or medium, large, extra large, but fits so good. And another thing I do love in here is that it has a shifter with the thing. Now, I'll tell you that this shifter, the Acuity one, I absolutely love. Acuity shifter, they did a great job with it. I got to change the shift knob on this thing better, but it works really well. And then this thing does gear by, I don't know, gear by RPM or something like that, or speed. So it'll tell me the gear that I'm in there, and I am the guy that does get lost in gear. Oh, this thing needs a fuel. What are you trying to do, little girl?
I'm washing the tires.
Oh, opening.
No, I'm washing the tires.
You're washing tires. And how did you know that that was in the red box?
Because I opened it.
Okay. Now, we got fried rice, huge eggs, fancy bowls, pots going. She's got all her protein, a whole thing of garlic here. It's gonna be good. I'm excited. And there's soup inside. What kind of soup do you have, Bang? That would be lobster soup. I'm down with that. Sweet and sour lobster soup. Nice.
It's actually
Prawns. Well, we're gonna be excited for lunch. But we're gonna prep everything up just so we have everything ready. Maybe set up some chairs for the kids. I know they keep asking for the sim too. All right, let me go get the glasses because I know she wants to wear different ones. Chef wants white glasses, not black glasses. So let's see here.
I did hold that for you.
Oh my test.
Why did you call me?
All right, so we're gonna try this one out. I'm gonna see if this one fits in the helmet. Oh, these guys trying to fit in the try to get the sim rig out already. All right, see what I got here.
All you needed to do is get an HDMI extender, which I think.
Yep. This is gonna be Ruby Prism. Look at these guys.
Or when it rains,
Joe, peel the sticker off. I thought you wanted it. Now it's for later. Yeah. See? Now she doesn't have any oil in her face. Yeah, look at this one. Love it. I'm gonna try to stick the other one in my helmet. Oh yeah? Alright, so those guys just carried their sim in. They've been waiting for it the whole time. It is windy right now. I'm holding onto the tent. Cooking station is still going. I could smell it from here. Robert has got the cars going. He's getting all the windows. We don't have a back window on the Civic right now either. Alright, I'm trying to keep my electronics dry. My Gold Zero goes with me everywhere.
Could be a Wi-Fi too.
Sherpa.
Yeah.
100.
Which one? You can tighten it, Robin.
What is she making? Fried rice, is it really? Yeah, we knew that. Look at this thing. Looks so good, Mom. That, oh, there it is, there it is. Hey, let's go. What's going on?
24 minutes is our session.
They just dried the track for the last people. No, I'll be fine. What's the weather look like?
Got some feeder bands coming in, so we're gonna be light rain on and off with moderate rain in between, but rain or shine is how we race, baby.
It's gonna be rain all day, huh?
Pretty much.
Pretty much. All right, it is the end of our day. We had a really good run. The Civic survived, the Z did not. We're still working on some things with the Z. The Civic, always something going on. But they are starting to pack this thing up. But as they're doing that, we're winding down. We've got different games for the kids here. Oh, close, but no cigar. This guy lost to me so many times in GT.
Yeah,
But
because I'll wait for you.
it's okay.
Wait till we get Irish.
This one's passed out from working so much. Working, yeah. Yeah,
You get red.
yeah.
You take me to the pawn shop.
The pawn shop. You hear that? These guys are battling pickleball in their smallest court ever. Diana is learning, but she's mastered it. Oh, try to do it for the viewers. Unfortunately, they did not get that one.